Welcome to the best picks. The best Masonry Hole Saw Kit is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike, enabling you to tackle various projects involving brick, concrete, or stone with ease and precision, ensuring clean cuts every time. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the right kit based on your specific needs and preferences, covering factors such as the size range, material compatibility, and the overall quality of the construction. Number 5. HYCHIKA 19 Pcs Hole Saw Kit. This comprehensive kit has everything you need to make precise cuts in various materials. It's perfect for DIY projects and professional use alike. The kit includes 13 hole saw blades ranging from 3, 4 to 6, along with 2 mandrels, 2 drill bits, and all the necessary accessories for easy use. These blades are made from durable carbon steel and heat-treated for a long lifespan and efficient cutting. They're built to last. It's ideal for softwoods, plywood, drywall, and PVC. Remember, it's not suitable for hard metals or hardwoods. The kit comes with a sturdy storage box, keeping everything organized and portable for easy transport to any job site. You get all the blades, mandrels, drill bits, and accessories, plus a handy storage box and user manual. It also comes with a 12-month warranty. Check out our HYCHIKA bimetal hole saw kit for those materials. We're here to help you find the right tool for the job. What we like. It has everything you need to get started. If you are looking for a complete kit with various sizes and accessories, this is a great option. Its compact storage case makes it easy to transport and store, perfect for DIY enthusiasts and occasional users. What people say. Arrived quickly, made with circular quality, and cutting accuracy. Designed for many size and thicknesses of material usage. The HYCHIKA 19 Pcs Hole Saw Set is an outstanding addition to my tool collection. This kit includes everything I need to tackle a variety of projects, featuring 13 saw blades ranging from 3, 4 to 6, 19 to 152 mm, 2 mandrels, 2 drill bits, an installation plate, and a hex key. I don't cut many large holes, but when you need to, this kit is amazing. I work on yachts and often you need to make a large hole bigger. By selecting the correct 2 cutters and mounting them together you can achieve a perfect concentric cut. Number 4. BOSCH HDG 11 Diamond Hole Saw Set. This 11-piece set is perfect for tackling tough materials. It's designed for wet sawing and includes everything you need for precise cuts. The vacuum-brazed diamond grit ensures faster cuts and a longer lifespan. You'll get superior performance and durability. Its segmented teeth minimize debris and heat buildup, making for smoother, safer operation. This also extends the life of your saw. The spring-loaded, retractable auto-start pilot bit makes starting holes a breeze. It ensures accurate placement every time, even without a pre-drilled pilot hole. This set includes a mandrel, pilot bit, and hole saws ranging from 1/4 inch to 2 to 1/2 inches. You'll be prepared for a wide variety of projects. The included plastic case keeps everything organized and protected. It makes storage and transport easy and convenient. Remember to always use it with machines designed for wet sawing and on a GFCI protected circuit. This ensures safety and extends the life of the saw. What we like. This kit is built to last. If you need to cut hard materials efficiently and precisely, this is the one for you. The unique auto-start pilot bit ensures accurate hole placement every time, saving you time and effort. What people say. I've used this brand and other brands for a lot of different projects. I can say this is a solid performing hole saw bit that performs as expected and has good longevity for the price. Also is a quick change style bit. Bought to drill a 1-2 hole in a polished granite kitchen countertop to install a faucet for an under-sink water filter. Diamond grit edge cut smooth and steady, and it removed a solid plug of granite that was just the right size. The bit showed no appreciable wear when done, and should perform well for a while. This BOSCH diamond tip hole saw is the most efficient, most durable out of anything that's available. Number 3. Concrete Hole Saw Kit. This kit is built to tackle tough jobs. It's designed for efficiency and durability, making your work easier. It's made from tungsten steel and alloy, ensuring strength and longevity. The high-frequency welding process creates incredibly strong and smooth welds. The long SDS plus shank and male thread adapter design ensures a secure fit and faster drilling. It's compatible with most drills. This kit includes 3 hole saws in sizes 30mm, 40mm, and 60mm, along with a connecting rod and center drill bits. You'll be prepared for various projects. 3 removable center positioning drills help you quickly and accurately determine the hole location. Remember to remove them before drilling for optimal performance. It's perfect for cutting clean holes in concrete, brick, and stone. Use it for air conditioning installation, wall drilling, and more. What we like. It's designed for tough jobs. If you're working with concrete or masonry, this kit's robust construction and SDS shank will make quick work of it. The removable positioning drills ensure accuracy and efficiency, ideal for professionals and serious DIYers. What people say. I've got a home which I swear was bricked up with bomb shelter rated bricks. I've never had to deal with drilling into anything like it. I used the largest hole saw of the set for installing a new sump pump outlet through the basement rim joist and outer brick. It took me a good 15 minutes to get through it, but this set did fine. I'm a plumber. I used a 2 to 1 2-inch bit to drill holes through poured concrete block walls. These fit perfect into my SDS hammer drill. So far I've drilled through brick, block, 8 and 12 thick poured and bluestone with all the sizes. And they've worked incredibly well, especially for the price at a fraction of the cost of a name brand core bit. Number 2. 9 PCS Concrete Hole Saw Set. This comprehensive set makes quick work of various materials. It's designed for efficiency and ease of use, saving you time and effort. You'll receive 5 hole openers in a range of sizes, 2 SDS connecting rods, and 2 center drill bits. Everything you need for most jobs is right here. It's constructed from durable tungsten steel and carbide. This ensures it can handle tough jobs while remaining safe and easy to operate. The specially designed blades are thicker and sharper than standard blades. They're even capable of penetrating steel bars up to 6 mm thick. This versatile set is perfect for various materials like brick, concrete, cement, and stone. It's ideal for many home improvement and installation projects. We stand behind the quality of our product. If you have any questions or concerns, contact us, and we'll respond within 24 hours. What we like. This kit is built to withstand heavy use. If you need a durable and reliable set for demanding tasks, this is a great choice. The thick blade design ensures long life and efficient cutting, perfect for professionals and frequent users. What people say. Works really well, truly happy. A screw broke during use, kind of stucking the whole saw to the shaft. But that's the size I use mostly, so it's not a concern now. Really good product. I've used it to drill a 3 and hole trough a 6 in concrete wall when trough in about 30 minutes. I used these bits to drill through my 12-inch thick foundation to install some pipes. I used the 2 smallest size bits and the largest bit, and they all worked perfectly. I was considering renting diamond core drill bits and drill to complete the job, but buying these bits and a drill from Harbor Freight proved to be cheaper, and now I have these tools to use in the future should I need them. Number 1. SDS Plus Masonry Hole Saw Kit. This kit makes cutting holes in masonry a breeze. It's perfect for various DIY and professional jobs. With sizes ranging from 35mm to 110mm, it has the perfect bit for any project. You'll be prepared for any job. The kit includes everything you need: drill bits, connecting rods, guide rails, and even a wrench. Everything is ready to go. It features high-frequency welding for superior durability and a smooth finish. This ensures a long lifespan and clean cuts. Simply attach it to your electric hammer and use the impact and rotation functions. It's designed for simple and efficient operation. Ideal for installing air conditioners, range hoods, or creating openings for pipes. It handles various masonry materials with ease. What we like. This kit offers a range of sizes for versatile applications. If you need a simple and effective solution for various masonry projects, this is a practical choice. The extension shank allows you to reach deeper into walls, making it suitable for a variety of tasks. What people say. Cutting through standard thickness red brick. Using industrial hammer drill. Happy with durability, 3 holes drilled. Tool holding up nicely. Worked well for drilling a new hole through the basement 18 foundation wall. Great assortment of saws in useful sizes. The largest saw went through stucco like butter and left a clean hole. It is an ideal size for the 4-inch junction box that I installed for a refurbished Ring floodlight camera. Came with plastic storage containers, 2 arbor lengths and the Allen wrenches needed for assembly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.